Next question. What is the most common thing you all do for organizations taking the first step towards a more accessible platform?
We actually started a new thing called an accessibility review. There's a lot of companies out there that do accessibility audits, but it can be really overwhelming because it goes through your entire site. So the first thing we usually do is we'll take a look at what are the most highly trafficked pages and what are the key functions on your website. So what makes your website what it is? Like if you're selling chocolate bars, then buying chocolate is going to be the thing that your site does. And then I would take maybe those like 5 to 10 pages, right? That are these key pages that are most frequently used and define the user experiences. And then we'll actually go through and we'll do manual and automated testing on those pages specifically to be like, okay, where are you at in these key content pages? And then organize the errors on those pages by error type. So it'll be like links and buttons. Here are those errors across these pages. Images, here are those errors. And then kind of sort and strategically tackle those. So if you try to do your entire website at once, what we've seen is that the errors will get outdated. So if it's like 90 days after you've audited, that content could be completely different because people keep writing code and changing content. So making small incremental changes and being really strategic in what you tackle first is what I would recommend for a first thing. And the second part is adding an accessibility statement on your website. So that can oftentimes just be a really simple page that's like, hey, we're working towards meeting this compliance level. This is who you can contact if there's something on the site that's not accessible. And there's a great resource link that actually we can send out following this talk too. But it will generate a statement for you. It helps you kind of create that language and give some really good examples. I think that's from W3 as well. That was my long answer for quick things.